take a look at this one. So now we're gonna give it a try and see if kaya ba nimo. Jesus Christ. Not sure if we're able to make it. Alright, so let's try it. Yeah, it looks to me that this is like the, what do you call that in Manila? Is it the S-Lex or the N-Lex of Luzon? Dang it, Jesus Christ. See, that's, if I'm not mistaken, that's already more than a kilometer already. I think that's, see? And one thing is for sure, ahead of me there might be like tons of vehicles still. So it's just like the NLEX of Consolacion. Alright, hey guys, it's me, your boy, the Cowboy Moto, and as usual, I'm here in Tayud Consolacion because this is my hometown. What happened to my hometown? Jesus Christ, believe it or not. So this is like the status now. I don't know what exactly happened to this place, dude. See, take a look at this one. So now we're gonna give it a try and see if kaya ba nimo. Jesus Christ. Not sure if we're able to make it. Alright, so let's try it. Okay, so see the level of flood here of the water. Oh shoot. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. Oh, I don't know. This is really seriously. Oh. All right. I don't know where exactly the water. Where's it coming from? I can't even talk properly. Jesus Christ. And then you don't have any choice because this is like the fastest way to reach our home, or to this is the yeah, this is basically the shortcut. But of course there's also like a, oh my god, I don't know where exactly this water is coming from. But see, this is the current situation here in Tayud. So that's why it's kind of traffic, coming from almost like halfway in the Paknaan or the Kansaga Bay Bridge. There's really like tons of vehicles there. So that's why it's gonna traffic, because of that area. Again, that's really like the catch basin. So I wouldn't be surprised. But anyhow, that's pretty much it. I know. I'm so sorry. Let's pay respect, guys. See the traffic here? Ha! I'm gonna let you see this, okay? Oh, I mean, going there, the road is kind of empty. Let's see. Okay, so vehicles are piled up here. I mean, going to the city, but luckily I'm going home. So the street or the road is kind of empty going home. But if you're going to be heading to the city, take a look at this. Oh, so that's really a huge stretch of vehicles piled up. Lucky for you if you're going to be riding a motorcycle, because the other side of the road is empty. So yeah, you can just basically switch lanes if you're on a motorcycle. But if you're in four wheels, yeah, you really have to extend your patience here. So yeah, again, this is me, your boy, the Cowboy Moto. Just like I kept on updating you guys about this, my hometown, but it is what it is. So see you when you see me, guys, and ciao for now.